Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways on how to read on Goodreads. All right. So first up, I'm going to show you the free way. So go ahead and open up a new tab. Okay. I'll type in goodreads.com/ebooks sort equals readable. Okay. Now once that's done, just hit on enter. And you'll be landed to the same exact page. Down here, we got a list of free books right here that we can read. Okay, as you can see here, we can just go ahead and download or read an excerpt or read the ebook. All right, for example, here, this one, The Kite Runner. I'm just going to click on read excerpt right here. As you can see, you can just basically read here inside the Goodreads website. Now going back, all right, so for example, you would like to click on an excerpt or download, like this one, Ryan Hunter. I'm going to click on download excerpt. As you can see here, we have 2 available downloads, which is for English and German. Okay, for example, for English right here, I'm going to click on download. Just wait for download pop up right here. I'm going to save it on my desktop. It's almost done. I'm going to click on it to open it up. And here we have the free book. Okay. Now the other option is by looking for your favorite book. For example, I'm just going to type in a random book. Okay. Book. Like this one. Okay. From Marcus Zusak. So as you can see here, we don't have the option to read it from here. But in the past, like 5 years ago, we do have the option to click on preview. And we can go ahead and read the book, but it's not complete. Now, the way to do so to this date is by purchasing it right here, as you can see, buy on Amazon, all right, or Audible, Barnes & Noble, and some more options right here. I click on more options. Here we have all the options and how to buy it. Okay. Now, when we go ahead over to Amazon right here, you can go ahead and get a hard copy like this one, hardcover. Okay, or you can buy it via Kindle, so it can be delivered straight to your Kindle account, or paperback right here. And if you have an audiobook membership, you can go ahead and use this one as well. Now that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.